In this video, I will show you how to make AI songs without any software for free. First, convert video song to MP3. For this, I will use any video converter. You can simply convert online for free. Now drop the audio here, select Format, and click Convert. Now open Chrome browser. Go to this website link in the description. Now drop the audio song here. Wait some seconds. This website will separate the vocals and background sounds of a song. Now download other and vocals. Now go to this website, search the singer. Like I want Sidhu Moosewala to sing this song. Now drop the song vocals here and click Upload. Now click the Convert button and wait. It may take some time because it's free website. Now vocals is converted, just download the vocals. Now go to any video editing software. In first layer, drop the converted vocals, and in the second layer, drop the background music. Now just export the song. The AI cover song is ready.
ऐसे हो पूरा सारे